In today's video, we're going to take a look at what we consider to be the top 5 smart AirTag trackers available on the market today. We have made this list based on customer reviews and our own opinion. We looked at the features and quality of each item and selected the best ones. For more information, along with updated prices on the products that we've mentioned, click on the links in the description box below. Now let's get to it. Coming in at number 5 is the Esky Wireless Locator. Looking for a way to keep track of your belongings? Then the Esky Wireless Locator is a great choice. This nifty little device attaches to just about anything, and you can use your smartphone to track it down. Whether you've misplaced your keys or want to keep an eye on your luggage while traveling, the Esky Wireless Locator is a great way to keep track of your things and give you peace of mind in knowing the location of your item. If you're anything like me and you're always misplacing your keys, simply attach the Esky to your keychain and then sync it with the free app on your smartphone. Once it's set up, you'll be able to locate your keys with the push of a button. If you're within Bluetooth range, the app will show you the exact location of your keys, and if you're not within range, you can still see the last known location of your keys on a map. The Esky also has a built-in alarm, is water-resistant, and has a battery life of up to 1 year. The fourth product on our list is the Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag. If you're one of the many people who are always losing your keys, your wallet, or your phone, never fear. Samsung has released the Galaxy Smart Tag that can help you keep track of all your important belongings. The Galaxy Smart Tag is a small, Bluetooth-enabled tag that you can attach to anything you want to keep track of. By using the Galaxy Smart Tracker app on your Galaxy smartphone, you can keep tabs on the location of your tagged belongings. The app will even show you the last known location of your belongings if they're out of range. The Galaxy Smart Tag is perfect for busy people who are always on the go and tend to lose things often. With this handy little tag, you'll never have to worry about losing your keys or your phone again. So go ahead and pick up a Galaxy Smart Tag for yourself, and rest assured knowing that your belongings are always within reach. Still haven't seen a smart AirTag tracker that you're interested in? That's okay, keep watching because we have more coming up. Also, we have an additional list of 10 smart AirTag trackers in the description box below that you may want to check out as well. In addition, if this is the first time you're visiting our channel, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll know when we release our next video. Now let's continue. Up next in third position is the Tile Slim Tracker. The Tile Slim is the perfect tracker for wallet, phone, laptop, and more. Being under 1 inch thick, it's one of the thinnest trackers, yet that also comes with a built-in speaker allowing you to ring and locate items that are out of sight. Plus, the new Tile app makes it even easier to find your things fast. With the new Tile app, you can find your Tile Slim in seconds even when it's out of sight. Tile has a community find feature, which means that if your Tile Slim is ever lost, you can enlist the help of the Tile community to find it for you. With this device, you can now see the last time and location your tile was seen, so you always know where your things are. It is small and compact in size, has a long battery life, and has the ability to be used in a variety of environments, making it one of the best choices to consider. The second product on our list is the Tile Pro Tracker. The Tile Pro is a little Bluetooth tracker that can help you find your things. It's perfect for keeping track of your keys, wallet, and other things that you don't want to lose. The tracker attaches to whatever you want to keep track of, and you can use the Tile app to find it. You can even use the tracker to find your phone while it's in silent mode in case you lose it. If you're looking for a reliable Tile tracker that won't break the bank, the Tile Pro is a great option to consider. It has a loud alarm that will help you find your lost item, and the app will even show you the last known location of your tile. Tile Pro Tracker is the latest in tile tracking technology. It's a small portable device that can be placed on any tile in your home. The device uses GPS to track the location of the tile and send you an alert when it moves. It has a replaceable battery, has a loud ringer, can be found by GPS or by sound, can be found by your phone's location, has a range of 100 feet, and can be used to find your keys, phone, or anything else you attach it to. Before we reveal the number 1 smart tag on our list, be sure to check out the description box below for more information on each of these items. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to stay up to date for when we release our review on some of the best products available on the market today. The number 1 product on our list is the Apple AirTag. Apple's new AirTag is a small, round, white device that can be placed on just about anything to help you keep track of it. AirTag uses Apple's Find My network to help you locate your lost belongings, and it can be placed on anything from your keys to your bag to your bike. If you lose your keys, for example, you can open the Find My app and see its last known location. If they're nearby, you can use the Play Sound feature to help you find them. AirTag will also keep track of the location where it was last seen, so you can see a history of where it has been. AirTag is powered by a built-in battery, and Apple says it will last for over a year before needing to be replaced. The battery can be easily replaced, and Apple includes a tool for doing so in the box. AirTag is also water and dust resistant, and it can be attached to just about anything using the key that is included. It can be placed on any item and then tracked using the Find My app on an iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. AirTag uses Bluetooth technology to communicate with the Find My app and will also work with Apple's new Find My network, which uses hundreds of millions of Apple devices to help locate lost items. The AirTag can be attached to anything, like a keychain, purse, or backpack, and will then show up in the Find My app. Users can also put an AirTag into lost mode, which will send notifications to anyone who comes within range of the tag, letting them know it's been lost. If an AirTag is lost and the owner can't find it, they can use the Find My app to see the last known location of the AirTag. The Apple AirTag is compatible with the Apple HomeKit, Apple Watch, Apple TV, Apple HomePod, and with Apple CarPlay. A truly versatile little device worth having. Well, there you have it. If our review has helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell icon to get an alert for when our next video drops. Stay tuned for our next video, and thank you for watching.